Right now I'm absorbing vitamin D because my doctor has said that you need vitamin D. So that's why I'm here at the beach and taking absorbing some kind of vitamin D. Well, in this video, I think I'm going to talk about how to be happy. What are the things we can do to make ourselves happy, and what are the things people do and try to do which makes them happy. So enjoy this video. Not been over yet. I forgotten to close the camera and just checking the audio, which is because wave is very fast and I don't think the audio will look good. Let's see. I'm just plugging this earphone on the camera. Anyways, what's up guys, this is Raza and you're watching my channel Anjana Musa. And welcome to another vlog 216. Absorbing vitamin D on my back. There are a number of ways which people use, which people have discovered to make themselves happy. Today in this video, I think I'm going to talk about on those aspects, I think, which make them happy and live their life on their fullest. Not that fullest, it's fullest, F-U-L-L-E-S-T, fullest, means completely. Either it is your regular job or the place where you work. It's a happiness which you wish to get and you need to get rather than money, what I think. But first you need to find out the sources, the actual sources of happiness, like what are those things which makes you happy, what are those things which make you satisfied, whether it is living thing or non-living thing. Most of the people's source of happiness is cell phone, like mobile phone, and I don't know which category is this mobile phone, living thing or not living thing. When the battery is charged, it's living. Then when the battery is discharged, mobile phone is non-living thing. Different people have different sources of happiness. Happiness is of two types, like temporary and permanent. Temporary happiness is like which comes and goes, and it keeps on coming and keeps on going. Permanent happiness is like a fixed asset. It is there to keep yourself happy all the time. Whenever you are nervous, you are feeling sad, you see those things, you come closer to those things which makes you happy, and that is the permanent happiness for one's life. If I give my example, for me, permanent happiness is like doing YouTube videos, making YouTube videos, and temporary happiness is like traveling on train and buses. As far as I think, you do, anywhere you go. If you are happy, then that work, that job, that place is suitable for you, for your life, for your everything. But if you are not happy with your job, with your work, with the place you are living, with the place you are residing, then you have to think on it, and you should change as soon as possible before it gets too late or you get too old. Some people might get happiness with this lemon, simple lemon, it's written here, while some get it done by shopping. And while some happiness, and happiness. Find happiness, research happiness, innovate happiness, and discover happiness, because happiness is everything. With this unstoppable journey to find happiness, to discover happiness, I'm closing down this video right here, right now. If you like this video, please hit the like button. You can comment also, you can share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Anjana Musafir. See you in the next video. Bye bye.